Honestly speaking, I don't know how much I can rely on the IRS sending me a bill based on a few different things and some historical perspectives. First, we know that the IRS is backlogged, they're short staffed, and they do make mistakes, and they have made multiple mistakes, and it's very hard to reach them to get those mistakes fixed. I'm speaking from my own experience being a tax pro, filing over 2,000 tax returns last year. So this has happened to many of my clients. The other reason is that there are a lot of people in this country, they want to claim their write-offs, they want to claim their tax credits, they want to claim their tax deductions. And if the IRS was to file their tax return, the IRS will not know about that specific taxpayer situation, so they can take advantage of the tax code because that's why it's there. However, there might be a kind of a middle point here where taxpayers can opt into an auto file system that if you choose and you want the IRS to just file your tax return because you have a very plain Jane vanilla, return, one W-2, you're single, and that's it. That might be an option, and that might be, as smooth than other options. But the tax prep lobbying industry is very strong. They do not want Congress to enact any laws to make it easier for people to file because then they will lose out on a lot of money, and they prey on those simple low income taxpayers so they can file their taxes with these companies and then they'll just make a fee, whereas maybe those returns can be automated by the IRS.